Special feature, Sticky Notes. Sticky notes are a versatile collaborative tool. Multiple users can add, edit, and move notes, making them ideal for brainstorming, project management, or casual discussions. While sticky notes have many use cases, we primarily use them in meetings for collaboration. Each participant can share their opinions on a topic by writing their responses on notes. Let's create one together. Click on the sticky note button and enter a text. Now pick the color of the text and paper. With a few clicks, the note is created. You can move it and edit it by clicking on the three dots in the corner of the note, or if you're an admin, you can access it in normal edit mode. For enhanced organization, we've introduced Pinboards. Go to the Asset Library, scroll down and create a pinboard. Now select the note, and while hovering over the board, you will see the board become green. This indicates that you can stick your note in this area. Click to place the note and it will snap into position.